Michelle Paitich leads ISV Partner Success for Salesforce, a team dedicated to advancing partnerships within the Alliance and Channels organization. She loves working with ISVs to achieve their business objectives and to drive customer success. Michelle received her BA in International Relations and French from Lehigh University and her MBA from the Haas School of Business, University of California, Berkeley.
Hey, thank you so much for that great intro. I'm excited to talk with you all today about how we can help you become a hugely successful customer company and going beyond CRM, so finding apps to accelerate your sales. Now, before we get into that, just a quick note from our lawyers. This is also available online if you are, for some reason, interested in reading it in detail. But really, it just says we're a publicly traded company, and we want you to make any and all stock purchasing decisions based on currently available information and not on things that I'm going to cover in this presentation with all of you today. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get into it. So it strikes me, as I was thinking about this technology summit and accelerating sales, it strikes me that we're all probably on the same page here, that CRM is the cornerstone for successful sales, and CRM is where we started. Whether you're using Salesforce CRM or another solution, that's where we started. And over time, over the past few years, we've evolved and we've started really thinking a lot about how to help our customers be successful. And so we've thought a lot about building the customer success platform, and that really goes beyond CRM. And today we'll get into a bit about what that means from an app perspective. Now, Salesforce is the world's most trusted enterprise cloud, and we're focused on these 5 elements you see here. So trusted security, availability, performance, a global presence, and enterprise compliance. You know, we've seen staggering growth rates as our customers continue to succeed using our platform. I mean, just look at some of these numbers: 79% increase in transactions, and now that's consistently averaging over 3 billion transactions a day across this growing global presence of data centers. And this is the technology model we have strived for. And it's also the foundation of our new business model. And this is a business model that's really focused on one thing, and that's our customer success. Our subscription pricing model exists so our customers can pay as you go, and it's really based on our customers' satisfaction. So we have a global customer success team focused on the success of our customer systems in their companies. And along with that, to complement that, we have a broad ISV and SI ecosystem. And these are companies that are also based on our customer success. So we recognize that technology is hugely important, but it's not enough. We have to be personally committed to our customers' success. And that's what we do at Salesforce. And this growth that we're experiencing is really driven by our customers' success. The reason that we are successful is because we continue to see that our customers are successful as well. And not only that, but this is growth that is supported by our partners' success as well. When our partners succeed, ISVs or SIs, our customers succeed and we succeed as well. Since the launch of the AppExchange in 2006, we have focused on helping our partners build cloud-based customer companies. And you see that our partners' incredible success has attracted not only more partners, but more customers overall. A number of our customers have several IFV solutions installed already. Today, these business apps are transforming the way we work. We've moved from this antiquated pen and paper to business process innovation and mobile solutions for every process and every department. What we're seeing is today's business environment requires apps that are mobile. Employees and customers have to be able to connect from anywhere. These are apps that are connected, so linking everyone and everything. These are real-time apps, moving businesses forward faster by reducing lag time. These apps are integrated. They connect data and eliminate siloed systems and drive analytics. And of course, these are apps that have to provide scalable solutions that can grow as your businesses grow. And a great place to find a number of those apps beyond CRM, beyond service, beyond marketing, is the AppExchange, the world's leading business app marketplace. And we'll get into this a bit, but this is really where we see a lot of innovation. ISVs are building apps to transform every department. And this is creating a whole new way of doing business. Some people may think of Salesforce as traditional CRM, but we have apps that will take Salesforce to all corners of your business, extending the value you've seen in sales to the rest of the company, and including the back office. So, here you see some of the areas that we've highlighted across sales, service, marketing, HR, finance. You see a couple of CPQ solutions that a number of our customers have installed. Aptus is one of the sponsors of this conference. You'll see them here. So really across every single department, both front office and back office. And we're also seeing apps that are revolutionizing the industry. When we look around the whole ecosystem, we have solutions that are transforming entire industries. And there are a number of them. These are just some examples of some of the apps that are extending Salesforce. So for example, in banking, nCino is making huge strides. In insurance, you'll see Pipeline making waves everywhere. In communications, you'll see Velocity. Manufacturing, we'll see a lot of Rootstock and Liquid Frameworks. In healthcare, we see Philips and Optum Insight. And in life sciences, we see AHM and Cognizant. So like I said, there are a number of solutions across all of these industries, and these are just a few that we're seeing be hugely successful. Now, the market opportunity for innovation is massive. And we think about this in three ways. So there are really three ways to harness this $126 billion opportunity. It's just huge when I say it. One of the ways we think about this is by extending Salesforce products, which I mentioned before, so Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud. Also thinking about transforming any department. So what are you doing in finance? What are you doing in IT? What are you doing in HR? All of these areas. And then, of course, how to revolutionize any industry. So, and we talked about that a bit in the previous slide, but these are things that a number of our customers are doing and a number of companies are doing already. And so as you're thinking about this a bit, think about what are my competitors doing? How are my competitors accelerating their sales? And not just accelerating their sales from a just pure dollar standpoint, but how am I making my sales cycle shorter? How am I making my sales cycle cost me less? How am I filling the funnel with more leads? All of those things. How am I ensuring that I'm maintaining my customers on the back end, that my customers aren't attriting the way, Gainsight is part of this conference, the way Gainsight can help you ameliorate. So all of those areas, market opportunity is massive. So where are you focusing your time? Now our ISVs have created 300 apps that are Salesforce One mobile ready. You can run your business from your phone, not only with the Salesforce One mobile app, but also with this huge ecosystem of mobile-ready partners. So again, not just for sales, not just for service, but for every department. All you have to do is go to the AppExchange and look for the sash on these listings that says Salesforce One mobile ready, and you'll see a ton to choose from. Now this slide is interesting to me because we talk with our customers about this when we're talking about Salesforce solutions. But it's also valid when we're talking with our customers about ISV solutions. So the same principles that apply when our customers are buying a Salesforce solution apply when you're looking at apps. So these are solutions that are fast, no hardware, no software, up and running faster. They're very innovative and they're flexible. You get automatic upgrades, and these are apps that are always being improved. It's open on any device, API first, your data are portable, and it's easy. So just like with Salesforce, our ISVs are using a subscription model and doing real-time customizations for you. And of course, these are apps that are trusted. Our number one corporate value is trust. So every single ISV that you can buy on the AppExchange is secure. They all go through a rigorous security review process. And we're transparent with our customers about that. We're transparent with our ISVs about that. These have to be secure apps, and they have to be able to scale so that our customers can scale. Now, I sort of love this slide because what it shows is cloud computing is really a different model than software. With software, it's this large upfront capital expense, pay for the hardware and the software, and then as you upgrade, it costs you more money, it takes more time, and that really cuts into the value you get. Now, with cloud computing, including with our apps, all that capital investment goes away. All the upgrade expenses go away. And that's because you don't have to purchase all that stuff. So the upgrades happen automatically. You don't have to purchase the hardware, the data center, the software. And so your time to value with pre-made apps that you can customize for your CRM, your time to value is just so much faster. So you can get your team accelerating their sales much faster with some of these solutions. So it sort of begs the question, right? What about the rest of the processes in your company? Every day we hear from companies how they're struggling to make these existing legacy systems keep up with their new business models. And that could be across anything, right? ERP, IT core systems, operations, could be departmental apps like HR. So it's complex, and there are a lot of different systems and technologies that are difficult to manage. It's hard to make them work together, it's difficult to customize, and it's hard to build on those to solve new problems. So what if you connected all of this with the Salesforce One platform? Everything that we do is powered by this platform. So that's our secret sauce, right? Everything that Salesforce does, everything that these apps do, it all shares a common platform. And that means that all of these apps inherit all the same technology, all the same tools and benefits of the platform that you're already familiar with. So, we know it's secure. There are thousands of companies in every industry that are using not only Salesforce solutions, but these ISVs. And we find that these apps, whether it's our own CRM apps or maybe it's something you built or maybe it's something our ISVs built, they're all connected to each other with these common core platform services. So our massive ecosystem of partners are building on this platform their apps right out of the box for your business. And when you add all this up, it means you have everything you need to focus on your business and driving engagement with your customers instead of figuring out how to connect it all and how to make the technology work for you. That's how you really accelerate your sales. That's what it's all about, is really how to run your businesses faster with Salesforce. The Salesforce One platform is the only platform as a service that provides you with the power and productivity of an enterprise cloud with the flexibility and control of a highly elastic cloud. So we've talked a bit about Salesforce apps. We've talked a bit about IFV Solutions you can buy from the AppExchange. Now the other part of this is you can create powerful employee apps faster than ever before in Force.com that are mobile. They unlock data from legacy systems and connect your employees with common data, collaboration, and workflow. So because all of this comes from Salesforce, your customer apps and your data and your business processes are connected from the start to help your whole business run faster. Run faster. And I love some of these stats. I think this 520% ROI is just such an insane number to say out loud. But really, what we're talking about here is a faster time to market. And I think that's one of the things we all care about the most, right? How do I actually get people functioning and doing their jobs faster, better, stronger? So our ISVs are building apps faster to increase ROI. So our platform allows you to bring these apps to market faster, really than ever before, and you're achieving this amazing return on investment. So IDC did a recent study, and it revealed that businesses building on the Salesforce One platform were able to turn their ideas into apps 70% faster than with traditional platforms. And the ROI on these apps were returning 520% ROI. I mean, when I think about that, that just seems insane. It sounds insane to me. The Salesforce One platform runs all of our apps, as well as all the apps created by our partners and all of the apps created by our customers. So because all of these apps share a platform, they also share data and logic that make it easier to build your business. So I guess I want to leave you all with a call to action today, and that would be extending Sales Cloud with the AppExchange. For many organizations, you need to extend the Sales Cloud to meet your specific business needs. And so this is one of the easiest, best ways to do that. We have over 2,800 cloud and mobile apps. They meet a wide range of needs, from incentive compensation to configure price quote, and just so many more. All of these applications in the AppExchange are fast and they're easy to deploy. So, I've said this before, but I think it's worth mentioning again. Right now we have more than 3 million installations of AppExchange apps. And so when you're done listening to all of these sessions and when you go back to your desk and you go back to the office and you're thinking about what you want to do next, take a look at your customer life cycle. Take a look at your sales cycle. Look at what you want to supercharge. Maybe you want to supercharge a certain role. Maybe you want to supercharge an area or a part of your sales cycle that is taking longer than you want it to. Prioritize those things. Look at where you're willing to invest your time and resources. And then head over to the AppExchange and take a look at what's there. Read the reviews. Understand the architecture. Get in touch with, if you're a Salesforce customer, get in touch with your account manager and understand what the best solutions are for you. I've included a few here for you, but there are so many more for you to think about. So, one solution that we've seen a number of customers use would be Dealmaker by Taz. So this is a great way to do your account and opportunity planning. Taz's solution is just fantastic. So it really helps you gain visibility into the opportunities you have out there and then better qualify and win more deals. We've seen it time and time again for customers. Another great solution is Map Anything, and this is, they do Geo Analytics in the field, and so it's a great way to see all of your accounts in a territory, and you can see who are current customers, you can see who are potential customers, and it enables you to do your territory mapping in a really smart and efficient, prioritized way. Another great solution is something like Drawloop, their document services. They do one-click document generation for the enterprise. I can't tell you how many times in a former life, before I came to Salesforce, how helpful something like this would have been to me. And I kick myself sometimes thinking that we did not have a solution like this implemented at my previous company. So definitely worth looking into. And then, I said this before, but of course, incentive compensation. So a great solution is something like Incent by Exactly. So you are motivating your teams through incentive compensation. And so I quickly went through 4. There are thousands available on the AppExchange. So I encourage all of you to get to know, to listen to all the other sessions, get to know what all of these great companies are doing to enable you, to enable your customers for success. And I wish you all the very best of luck. Thank you so much. I hope to see a number of you at Dreamforce, where we have a lot of great sessions on exactly these topics. If you are there, please come by, please say hello. I will be in the Partner Theater. I'd love to talk with you all about everything you're doing in your businesses. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.